Betka meets the midday light. The ocean sparkles emerald bright. Wattle's gold and wild blooms sway in rhythm with the coastal bay. Betka's calling, can you hear the tune? A melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling waves to the flowering land, dance along the shore, take my hand. The seabirds skim where the breezes play, above the sea's bright turquoise spray. The river flows with a golden hue, a path through the bushland tried and true. Betka's calling, can you hear the tune? A melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling waves to the flowering land, dance along the shore, take my hand. Where the wildflowers bloom in clusters bright, they catch the warmth of the noonday light. The bushland hums with a vibrant air, Betka's beauty beyond compare. The fiddle plays, the rhythm's high, as Betka's heart beats with the sky. Feel the pulse of the Celtic beat, with every step along the beach. Betka's calling, can you hear the tune? A melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling waves to the flowering land, dance along the shore, take my hand. Take my hand, take my hand. In the midday sun where the waters gleam, Betka's more than a dream. With a Celtic lilt and a joyful sound, Betka's magic is all around. As the humpbacks glide through emerald seas, they cut the waves with gentle ease. Towards gable shores they chart their way. In the midday sun they dance and sway. The ocean hums with their ancient song in the blue expanse where they belong. With every breach and mighty tale, Betka's shores echo their tale. Betka's calling in the whale's sweet tune, a melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling waves to Gable's Isle, dance along, stay for a while. Betka's calling, can you hear the tune? A melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling waves to the flowering land, dance along the shore, take my hand. In the midday sun where the waters gleam, Betka's more than a dream. With a Celtic lilt and a joyful sound, Betka's magic is all around. As the humpbacks glide through emerald seas, they cut the waves with gentle ease. Towards gable shores they chart their way. In the midday sun they dance and sway. The ocean hums with their ancient song in the blue expanse where they belong. With every breach and mighty tale, Betka's shores echo their tale. Betka's calling in the whale's sweet tune, a melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling waves to the flowering land, dance along, stay for a while. Betka's calling, can you hear the tune? A melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling too long to stay for a while. Betka's calling, can you hear the tune? A melody bright as the afternoon. From the rolling waves to the flowering land, dance along the shore, take my hand. In the midday sun where the waters gleam, Betka's more than a dream. With a Celtic lilt and a joyful sound, Betka's magic is all around. With a Celtic lilt and a joyful sound, Betka's magic is all around.